today, we have a delightful adventure in store for you. We're visiting the iconic ginger factory on the beautiful Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. If you're a fan of ginger or just looking for a fun day out, you're in for a treat. So, let's not waste any time and dive right into this ginger-filled journey. As we arrive at the ginger factory in Yandina, the lush greenery and vibrant gardens immediately catch our attention. It's a perfect place to immerse ourselves in the world of ginger. Our journey begins with our arrival at the ginger factory, a serene and picturesque haven located in Yandina on the stunning Sunshine Coast of Queensland, Australia. The first thing that captures our senses is the breathtaking natural beauty that surrounds us. The lush gardens are a testament to the subtropical paradise that this region is known for. Towering trees, colorful flowers, and meandering pathways set the stage for a day of exploration and discovery. Our first stop, the Ginger Tour. Here, we'll learn about the fascinating history of ginger farming and production. Let's see what they have in store for us. Our first stop is the Ginger Tour, where we delve into the rich history of ginger farming and production. The knowledgeable guides here take us on a journey through time, explaining how ginger has been cultivated and processed over the years. We learn about the challenges and innovations in ginger farming and get a glimpse into the hard work that goes into producing this beloved spice. It's a fascinating journey that sheds light on the origins of ginger and its importance in various cultures and cuisines. Next up, ginger tasting. We're going to sample a wide array of ginger products, from zesty ginger beer to mouth-watering ginger sweets. Get ready for a taste explosion. Next, we head to the ginger tasting area, where our taste buds are in for a delightful treat. Ginger comes in many forms, and here, we have the opportunity to sample a diverse range of ginger-infused products. From the invigorating and effervescent ginger beer to the sweet and spicy ginger candies, there's something to tantalize every palate. It's a true taste explosion as we savor the unique flavors and aromas that ginger brings to the table. As we stroll through the enchanting gardens, you'll see the incredible variety of plants and flowers that thrive in this subtropical paradise. It's a serene oasis. After satisfying our taste buds, we take a leisurely stroll through the enchanting gardens that grace the ginger factory. The gardens are a serene oasis, teeming with life and color. Towering palm trees, exotic plants, and vibrant flowers create a soothing atmosphere that allows us to connect with nature. It's a perfect spot for relaxation, photography, and taking in the beauty of the Sunshine Coast's natural surroundings. As we glide through this picturesque setting, we're treated to a narrative that unveils the captivating story of ginger, making it a truly immersive experience. Time to hit the gift shop. The Ginger Factory offers an array of ginger-related products, souvenirs, and even locally crafted goods. Let's see what treasures we can find. No visit to the Ginger Factory is complete without a trip to the gift shop. Here, we discover a treasure trove of ginger-related products, souvenirs, and locally crafted goods. Before we wrap up our visit, we're catching the live bee show to learn all about beekeeping and honey production. It's a sweet way to end our day. Before concluding our visit, we make our way to the live bee show, an educational and entertaining experience that sheds light on the world of bees, beekeeping, and honey production. The show provides a close-up look at bee colonies and their intricate social structures. We learn about the vital role bees play in pollination and honey production and gain a newfound appreciation for these industrious insects. The highlight of the show is watching the extraction of fresh honey, a sweet and captivating end to our day at the Ginger Factory. That's a wrap on our adventure at the Ginger Factory on the Sunshine Coast. We've had an incredible time exploring the gardens, tasting ginger delights, and learning about the fascinating world of ginger. If you're ever in this part of Australia, don't miss the chance to experience this ginger paradise. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure with us. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.